Over here on the red side, the Air Force Academy over 40. Dan McCullough, Ken Heidelson, Marty Clinton, Ron Prettyman, and Roy Dalton on the red side. Looks like we have a handoff on the blue side. Handoff on the blue side. And we're coming out of the tower over here on the red side. Air Force Academy over 40. We got a huge contingent of military out here with us this week. Looks like we may have a hose placement penalty top of the tower on the red side. Hose placement on the red side. Air Force Academy over here going to try to make up that penalty time. Team Europe over 40 on the blue side. She's around in the corners over there. Team Europe on the blue side. Air Force Academy on the red. Here we are digging in through the saloon doors. Open up, hits the target, it goes south. Send it over to rescue Randy. We're backing up, getting it done. Over 42 for the U.S. Air Force Academy. Team Europe over there got a great run going. We got some shout-outs coming in for the Chattanooga. Go, Europe, go! Great run over